Hello everybody, this here Vern. I come to you today to talk about social networking. And for those of you who don't know, I'm a professional social networker. That's right, my cousin, he's a big internet guru. And he calls me up and he tells me all this stuff. And I learned stuff from him that'll make your hair rise, I'm telling you. He called me today. He said, Vern, you gotta go down this place called Twitter. I said, what the hell you talking about, cuz? He said, Twitter, dude. Where you been? I said, I'm out in the cornfields, cuz. You know that. Don't ask me questions like that. He said, well, cuz, you gotta get down from the cornfields, get on the internet, get on Twitter, go to twitter.com. I said, what the hell do I want to go someplace called twitter.com? He said, cuz there's this dude on there I want you to follow. It's bad enough, cuz you want me to get on someplace called Twitter, but now you want me to follow somebody? I think sometimes my cousin's gone crazy. But I can't complain because the dude makes a lot of money. So I did what he told me. I went down to twitter.com, signed me up a profile, Vern Cornfield. What else would I put down, right? That's my name. So I started doing this thing called tweeting. And I never did get it because nobody's talking to me. Maybe that's because they don't know me. Whatever. I ran into this feller called Perry Belcher. Because my cousin said, look that feller up. He's got some fancy stuff coming out. I says, okay, so I go to twitter.com, Perry Belcher. I look at this dude and he's tweeting about some video he put together. So I click through. They got these little things called links. They've been tweeting about links, and I click on the link and I go to this, I don't know where the hell I ended up, but I see this dude talking lickety-split, 100 miles an hour, and I expecting to see some dude belching. After all, Perry Belcher, what would you expect, right? But this dude just talking 100 miles a minute, and I couldn't keep up. But it sounded to me like there's lots of money in whatever the hell he's talking about. So I don't know how to look him up, but if you can find Perry Belcher, by the way, there's some kind of deadline, time-limited space or some deal like that. The clock's gonna strike midnight in a couple of days. You gotta head on down there. Just look them up on Twitter. Twitter.com. I don't know, but I know one thing for sure. I'm a social networker right now, and you could come to me anytime you want to learn about social networking. I'll give you the goods, brother and sister. All right, now, I gotta go talk to the cows. Bye now. See ya.